this is Makola. Kejetia, this is Makola. Purely satiric, you laugh and laugh. Kejetia, this is Makola. New kind of cult where everything goes. A kind of cult where everything goes. Or the street meets the law in this funny cult. Inti wu nimra, mesumi nimra, wu nimra, mesumi nimra. You know the rules, but I know the exceptions. You know the exceptions, but I know the rules. Kejetia, Makola, we all learned the law. From Ghana to America, Kejetia to Makola, all are welcome to this cult. Kejetia versus Makola. Kejetia versus Makola. Kejetia versus Makola.
Authorized. Lordship, Judge in T. Katate Bombay, Isaiah.
Please.
The plaintiffs, the Law Students SRC, are suing the defendant, the Examination Board, Ghana School of Law, for unfairness, sabotage of career, and incredibility. They aver that they have been unfairly treated in the examination into the Ghana Bar Association. They are seeking judgment as well as any reliefs the court may deem appropriate. The court is in session.
Thank you, Punisher. Lawyer Lamis, you
Yes,
again.
Your Honor. Yes, me again.
Okay. What do you have for me today?
Good. My team and I have a very funny case for you.
Order.
This is a case of Kejetia versus Makola. The entire institution of Makola came to us that they are being tormented and they need us to liberate them. Kejetia. All right, Your Honor. Let me present our beautiful case to you.
Please.
Simply, the people of Makola, I'm very sorry, the law lecturers at Makola and the examiners at Makola are doing things that are unsavory and using the power. At this juncture, somebody may ask, what is power? Power. Anybody?
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor.
If you won't ask, keep quiet. All right, so please, he can't. Let me help him. I'll help you. Choose one of these. Yes. A. Spiritual power.
Who is choosing?
Anybody can choose right there. Anybody.
Is this
B.
enough, Your Honor?
No, B. Economic power. C.
ECG power.
Electric power. And then D. Abuse of power. Choose. I'll help the court. D. Abuse of power. And at this juncture, somebody may ask, what is abuse?
Nobody's asking.
Hey! I will ask. Ask.
Please, what is abuse of power?
Abuse, Your Honor. Let me give 4. A. Sexual abuse. B. Marital abuse. C. Mental abuse.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor.
And D. Legal abuse. Choose. Legal abuse.
Please, choose and let him go. Please.
His own is not inside.
Legal abuse.
His own is drug
Fantastic.
abuse.
Fantastic.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor. Do you realize what they're doing here?
No.
Accusing you of abusing drugs.
Cancel.
I'm not looking at him crap.
Cancel.
Fantastic.
Please.
Who's abusing drugs?
Please.
Huh? Do I look like a donkey?
Cancel. Please.
This is intimidation.
Take your seat.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I mean, we've been putting up with this for a long time.
Take
Order in court.
Is this going somewhere?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm coming somewhere. D. Legal abuse. Legal.
And then somebody will ask, what is legal? Please.
Fantastic. Legal marriage. Legal sex. B. C. Legal lawyer. And D. Legal judge. And the answer is?
The answer is D. The answer will always be D. Go on and let's finish it.
Legal judge. Our question to them is, are they judges? And are they legal to be judging and deciding the destiny of others?
So your question
Let
to
me
who?
to my tagging colleague. Tag me.
Your Honor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fine, thank you. So, all that my learning colleague is saying is that the destiny of some people are in some people's hands. At this point, somebody may ask, whose hands? A. God's hands. B. Olele hands. Or C. Hands of applause. The answer is,
I don't know.
you won't know, Your Honor.
Fantastic.
That is the same thing we don't know. How can you take some people's destiny into your hands? They write exams, law students. Then you fail them. Because of why?
That is your case?
Yes! They fail.
No, wait. Let me follow you. So somebody wrote an exam.
Twitter, my name is Lawyer Marcelo at GH. And on Instagram, the same thing. I'll follow back. Your Honor, students write exams, sir. You say you have failed them. They failed like 81% of the entire electorate. And now they say they won't understand. Remarketer, you say you charge them 3,000 for one paper. Now their school fees are how much is it? Before one paper. Students walk 42 kilometers to come and write exams. You have failed him. They say they won't understand. Fine. Number two, the people who teach them, they didn't set the question for them. Outside people, and they market. They say they don't understand. Those who teach, they know what they teach, and they know what they expect. So, we want you to force them to market themselves.
Force them.
You are the law forcer.
Okay.
Are you not the law forcer?
Please, go on.
Yes. Force them to mark and not collect any money at all. 3,000 times 81% people will give you 388 CDs, 40 pesos. How much would this thing do for you? You don't like, let me add more for you. Times 2 will give you 652 CDs, 83 millimeters.
Unbelievable.
Oh, there. It says million.
Let me start with a very popular song. This song,
You are going to sing?
no, Your Honor. It is what is in the song that's important. I'm sure you're familiar with him. Mr. Aubrey Graham, aka Drake. Now, Your Honor, he said something in his very popular song. He says, "Come, come, namaye, come, come, namaye, come, onwa na
Order.
come,
Objection, Your Honor.
Order.
Overruled, please. You are asking questions. Let them sink.
Your Honor,
Yes.
so basically what we're saying is that kom na ya yentia. Your Honor, the very first thing we'd like to put across is that the SRC, that is the Student Representative Council, in the first place do not have the mandate or they don't have the right to come and represent the students for this case. Because, Your Honor, each student write the exam individually. They did not write the exam as a body. So if everybody fails or each student fails or passes, it is individual.
Your Honor, objection. So is she a group? As she's sitting there, is she a group?
Your Honor, I believe it's a class case.
You said individual. Is she not an individual? Sorry, individual. I'm sorry.
Please.
I'm sorry.
The next thing I hear from you will cost you 5,000 cedis, contempt of court.
The last time he didn't learn, obviously.
5,000 times this week will give you 350.
Your Honor, is he not also liable for the contempt?
Let him finish. Let him finish.
Liable for a year. Please, 352 CDs, 40 pesos.
Okay, you owe me 5,000.
Your Honor, I know that you want to build another port. Why?
It's not fair.
Order.
Punisher.
Your Honor.
Please.
So, Your Honor, like I was saying, each student write the exam individually. So if you go there, it is you and the exam. So are they representing everybody, saying that all the people who supposedly failed, they are all supposed to pass? Is that why they are here? So they're representing the whole body? So, Your Honor, that is what we want to put across in the first place. Now, there was an inaccuracy.
Let me understand you.
Yes.
Please. You are representing the SRC, I suppose. SRC is made up of the student body, and so
That's
if
right.
the students have a problem, shouldn't the SRC be the one to take it on?
Well, Your Honor, I believe you have a point, but there is a system in place where if you find anything wrong or you think your exam or the results you got, you can always contest it. If you doubt it, you can always contest it individually.
So you'd rather all the students come one by one to this court?
That is how it works, Your Honor. But Your Honor, let me come back to the inaccuracy that my learned colleagues here threw in the court. Now, they made a point that 81% of the students failed. Your Honor, that is wrong. It is absolutely wrong. Balderdash. Right? Yes. Wrong. Your Honor, what I have here is 16.25% of the students passed, making it more than 81% of them failing. Now, let's make a simple calculation. If 16% of the students, which is 91 students out of 560 pass, that means we have about 295 plus. Your Honor, I'm using a real calculator, not what my learned colleagues here use.
Objection sustained, please. Yes.
Okay, fine. So the 3 that he's talking about is the surplus. Those people did not write the exam. So they didn't even have to fail because they didn't even write the exam.
Your Honor, I don't even understand what he is saying.
Yes, I also don't understand.
Oh, that is why we need to take time to explain. And you won't let us talk. Okay, so simple. Now, we said 81%.
Can he make his case?
No, but if we have to make the point so that he doesn't have to waste your time, Your Honor, please allow us.
Your Honor, is your time being wasted? I believe the case that came here is the waste of time, which you should actually throw away.
They have a point.
Please, 4,500. Please, Your Honor. They can't do that. 81 is 81. We know the people who have failed.
Fantastic.
That's why we collect all of them to come to our chambers.
Your Honor, let me give you a breakdown.
Break
Break it down for me.
Beautiful. Now, Your Honor, the total number of students who wrote the exam or sat for the exam was 560.
500.
560, contrary to the reports that it was just about 490 something, which is wrong. 560, and out of the 560, 91 of them passed all the 10 subjects. That is 91 of the students, making 16.25%. Now, out of the 560, 170 of them actually failed just 1 or 2 subjects, which is 30.3%. And they can always resit and get called into the bar. This is not the first time this is happening in this country. It is not something that is unprecedented. Let me take you back, Your Honor, to 1958, where 123 students were admitted and only 9 passed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not even 10 or 11. I'm surprised they're bringing this to your court. Your Honor, I believe I'll want to give my learned colleague here a handshake, like gentlemen do.
Your Honor, I'm just adding one simple fact to it.
So they tag and you shake hands.
It's just copy, that's all.
Your Honor,
Let them copy.
Your Honor, all we do is that we are gentlemen. Of course, in a noble profession, which you yourself pass. Thank you.
Your Honor, it is as simple as this. If you write an exam and you write the wrong answer, how is that somebody's fault?
Your Honor, if you ask questions people don't understand, what answers are you expecting?
Your Honor, understanding of the question is part of the exams. Everywhere you write exams, they state this.
Doctors, they don't fail them because nobody understands their handwriting. When they write, everybody accepts it. You alone, because of man.
Your Honor, before people are accepted into medical school, they go through exams and not all of them pass. So what he's saying is false. My point
If
is
they
that
don't pass, I say you are taking 3,000. 3,000 for what?
Your
3,000 for
Honor,
what?
Your Honor, can I answer that question?
But I'm asking you.
Yes.
Please,
Would you allow me answer it?
Please sit and listen to your answer.
Okay.
Your Honor, the simple fact is that apart from the inconvenience it will cause the examiners to come back and sit down and remark the papers, it is time wasting. But even with that, we'll throw more light on it when we get to the cross-examination so that the representative from the IEB himself will answer. But the fact of the matter is that in every exam, some people will pass and some people will fail. It is as simple as that. Every exam that has happened, if I can ask my learned colleagues here, in their school exam, they failed some and they passed some.
Obviously.
I always say you are somebody I admire and I aspire to be like you in the very near future. So
You are older than your honor. You are older than him. You are not aspiring.
Yes, please.
Look at that.
You don't have to rub it in. He knows he's older than me. And
I don't
he knows
use
that
rub.
I'm successful more than
I
him.
use
He
Akobam.
knows.
Akobam to do him.
Don't tell him. I mean, I'm sure you know already that.
Your
you're
Honor,
older than me.
I believe my learned colleague here is not very old. It's the look, it's the make of his face that makes him look old.
Okay, let's talk to you.
Your Honor, I wanted to take offense in that, but out of respect for you, I will withdraw it. But if anybody receives any visitation for anything they have uttered in this court today, nobody should come to me.
My best friend.
Objection. How can you say you kill your honor?
He didn't say
He didn't say that.
He said, if any of you receives a visitation.
Your honor, who is the you? He was looking at you, saying you.
Your Honor, I did not mention any name. It is definitely not you, Your
He
Honor.
didn't mention your name, but he said you.
Your Honor, this can be out of court settlement,
So, see him and settle it out.
See who?
Oh, Your Honor, he doesn't have to see me.
Okay. All right, you don't have to see him.
Your Honor, it's unclear who he's talking about.
Do you have any questions for ones on both sides?
Yes, Your Honor, we do. We'll call our first witness.
Okay.
We'll call our first witness, Benisej. Please, we call with Benisej to the stand. Benis, please state your name to the court.
You just called Benis AJ to the stand. Why?
Benis can be Benis Affair or Jane and Benis. Any Benis is Benis. So she too, she have her own Benis.
He said Benis AJ.
That time he was here. Now he's dead.
Wow. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Benis AJ, please state your name for the court. Please.
I'm Benis AJ.
Okay.
Good.
Are you happy now?
That is wrong. Yes, good.
Benis, for how long have you been in the law school?
For 4 years now.
Fantastic. How many exams have you written?
10.
Good. So far, 10.
Yes, please.
You made it clear to this court that you've been to the law school for 4 years. Which law school are we talking about here?
The King University.
Ah!
Faculty of Law.
Faculty of Law. So, did you go to the Ghana School of Law too?
I'm yet to enter.
You are yet to enter. Wrong representation. Your Honor, this shows that they have brought somebody who has not even been to the law school to come and represent them. They are trying to deceive your court. Your court. Your court that you have suffered. You have gone through the
Objection,
mill.
Your Honor. When you finish the Faculty of Law, KNUST, won't you go to the Ghana School of Law?
Yes.
Fantastic.
So why is she here?
So I thought this was a case for Ghana School of Law SRC. If she is yet to go there,
It's
only says that she's not part of the...
It's the same thing we are talking. It's the Ghana School of Law. When you finish, then you go to bar. Oh, that is what we are talking about. So this is SRC for Ghana School of Law.
Of course. Well, thank you.
Please,
Let's call somebody.
take your time. Let the woman
I'm sorry.
walk to her. Yes.
Let me help you.
Don't help her.
Ah.
Okay. Are you okay? Right. Please.
Okay. Now we can call somebody who actually went to.
Hello. Pick A. Please.
Hey,
Don't worry,
let me look at that.
Sit
If he
down.
pick, don't take.
Contempt of court.
Ah, Your Honor. Let's not get there. Please, pick up. Oh, nice picking.
Lawyer Marcelo.
Honor, please.
What A? Please. Pick yourself.
Your Honor.
Punisher.
Punisher, don't take it from me. Somebody. I talk to my honor.
Please, the next witness, Juliana I.
Kejetia versus Makola. Kejetia versus Makola. Purely satiric, you laugh and
Wait. Aye. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you in the school or Ghana School of Law?
Yes, currently I'm still there because I wasn't passed. My exam, they failed me, so I wasn't able to pass out.
Your Honor,
and because of the back,
Exactly, Your Honor. They failed.
They failed her.
Your Honor, may
they
I
failed
object?
me.
You are objecting who? She or me? Please, they failed you. True or false?
Yes, I was failed by the exams board.
Good. Do you know the exam board?
I don't know them personally.
Good. Are they the ones who taught you in class?
No.
So can Okutre go and chew his microphone and you to take the people?
I don't think so.
No. Your Honor, thank you very much.
Your Honor, if we may.
Yes, mate. Yes.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You are Juliana, right?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Juliana.
Have you ever written exams in the Ghana School of Law before?
I
And
wrote,
passed?
I wrote an exams to get in, and I passed that exams, and I topped the class.
And that exam was marked by the same IEB?
Yes, it was.
And so, how come now you failed and you are saying now they failed you? If you have written exam before for the same people to pass you, how come now they are failing you? You are here saying that they failed you because somebody cannot teach and somebody else cannot conduct exam. Is it not the same somebody that teach you for another somebody to come and conduct the exam? The one that
Is it not fire that cooked yam? Is it not fire that burn the yam? So because of that fire cooked yam, so fire cannot burn the
Then
yam.
fire also can burn a house, and fire can also.
Exactly.
Your Honor, in the same analogy, if you put yam on fire and it is well cooked, Your Honor, let me finish. And you don't take it off, it will burn. It means that you have to put an effort into checking it so that it does not burn. It is the same fire.
Yes.
And so if you are going to write the same exams, you prepare yourself well. And you go and write and answer the questions correctly. And then you will pass. If you have done it before and you have passed, and this time around you did it wrongly, and they have marked you down, you don't carry them and bring them to court for the exam that you have failed, and you come and say that they failed you. When you passed, you say they passed you. You have come to stand here, you are saying they failed you. Who failed you? Am I the one who wrote it for you? Are you the one? I am not. No.
Your Honor, objectives. This thing that you are doing, like I'm supposed to do some. The concert party. I know. How can you people do that? When me I go there serious, I finish my own day. Yeah. Then let me go back.
Your Honor, may I finish?
Yes, you are finished, please.
Thank you. Sit down.
Do you have any?
Our last witness. So we call our witness Denise Ejapon. Denise, not Dennis.
Nobody said Dennis.
Denise.
And nobody said Dennis.
Hey, it's okay. Denise, tell me, how do you feel right now?
I think I should feel sad. So I'm sad.
You asked her how she is feeling, not you.
Hey, I paused my own.
Okay. So, are you feeling sad?
Yes.
Sorry, okay? We'll get justice for them, okay?
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Really?
That's exactly what we must do. We must get justice for all of you. For all of you. Your Honor is here. He won't let them get away with this. If you are sad, let your Honor see that you are sad.
Yes, I know. She's sad.
I'm very sad.
Yes.
No, you don't have to say it. Show him.
Oh, cry.
Your Honor, if he does not stop what he's doing, I'll make him do it for the rest of his life.
Your Honor, is this a boxing match?
Are you threatening him?
It is not a threat.
There is God. Your Honor, he has to apologize. He has to apologize to him. This is not fair.
Are you done?
Pause it.
Don't pause it. End it now.
Stop it.
Okay, please apologize to him.
Your Honor, if you have stopped me to have cancelled it, I apologize.
Okay, so we accept the apology that they have brought
And
the
yes,
so-called
you know
defense.
she's sad, so
Yes, now he's apologized that they brought the wrong defense, and so they've admitted and considered defeat.
For
No,
what?
You just apologized.
I apologize for the case.
Your Honor, I think you have to. I don't like the way they are presenting things, please. So thank you very much. We still.
Your Honor, I have not apologized for any case.
All right, so my lady.
I said case.
I think we have no
case.
further questions. We thank you for the apology. We are done.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor, I believe my learned colleague here
Please, if you
said
have questions.
curse.
If you have.
Okay. Of course. Well. What's your name again?
Denise.
Denise. Your Honor, even her name breathes of I can't trust the name. A man's name, and you're calling yourself Denise instead of Dennis. What happened to Dennis?
But then there's Albert and there's Alberta.
Ah, so you are Denisa?
No, I'm Denise.
Denise. Why didn't you do Denisa?
My mom didn't want to.
Your mother did not want to call you Denisa.
Yes, please.
You see? Denisa.
I don't think there's any name like Denisa.
Ah.
Is this going somewhere?
No, Your Honor. Not that. They don't
Actually,
have-
no.
Thank you. No further questions. Thank you. You can take your seats.
Now, clap for you.
No, Your Honor.
Finish. Sit down. Please.
You can't waste my time.
Fantastic.
And expect to be given a.
Your Honor
Please,
is fair and just.
call your witness.
Sit down. Denise.
Denise, please.
Thank you.
Do you have any witnesses?
Your Honor, we do.
Yes,
we do
Your
have
Honor.
witnesses.
Right. Quickly.
The defense would like to call to the stands Barrister Paul Antu of the head of the IEB, the Independent Examination Board that organized the exams.
Thank you. Barrister. Hi.
Hi.
My name is Barrister Ignatius Bemenija. I'm sure you probably marked my scripts, and one of the best scripts you probably ever marked.
I guess so.
Of course, I mean, that is just by the way. Now, tell us, what is the purpose of the IEB, the Independent Examination Board? Tell us.
Your Honor, before 2013, when the Independent Examination Board was instituted, there were several issues of examination leakages within the Ghana School of Law.
Hold on. So you mean some of the papers were being leaked? Please continue.
Exactly, Your Honor. That was why the General Legal Counsel found it necessary to institute the Independent Examination Board for us to restore the integrity of the examinations of the Ghana School.
So it means the integrity of the Ghana Law School was at stake.
Exactly.
Please continue.
So basically, we were instituted in the year 2013 to help restore the integrity of the examinations of the Ghana School of Law.
Nice. Beautiful. So, tell us again. They were making claims that if you don't pass the exam, you pay 3,000 cedis. Why 3,000 cedis? And why not 100 cedis or 200 cedis?
Your Honor, it is the policy of the board, and for that matter, the General Legal Counsel, that when a student fails his or her examination, that student will bear the cost of retaking that examination. And we have agreed on 3,000, bearing in mind the fact that we have to pay whoever is setting the questions. We have to pay whoever is marking the answer scripts. We have to pay for the stationery that will be needed for the examination. We have to pay the board that will sit to discuss the results at the end of the day. And we have agreed on the 3,000 Ghana cedis, irrespective of the number of people who are likely to retake that examination, because given the fact that one person fails, it means that we are getting only 3,000 cedis. And out of that 3,000, we are supposed to pay the person who sets the exam, the one who marks the exam, that we're paying for the stationery.
So it means that even if one person fails, you take just 3,000.
Exactly.
If 100 people fail, you take 3,000 each.
Yes.
Ah, this makes a lot of sense. So that means 3,000 plus times 100, you get about 30,000 or 300,000.
Which one is it?
Which one?
30 or 300,000?
No, no, it is 300.
300,000. 300,000. Yes.
Joanna, I think they are finished. Can we come?
Yes.
Thank you. I like this. I like you, okay? I like you very much, okay?
Thank you.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Fantastic. Your wife loves you, okay? I'm sorry for what is about to happen to you, okay? Good. He said, why was the something?
IEB,
Why-
Independent Examination
Why
Board.
was it set up?
It was set up to restore the integrity of the
Integrity. That means you lost the integrity. Was it the fault of the students?
The Ghana School of Law was losing the integrity of
Was
the
it
examination.
because of the students?
No.
I
The
see.
leakages could not be attributed to the students.
Whose fault, in your opinion, was this?
We could attribute it to the examiners of the Ghana School of Law.
Examiners. Your Honor. So why must the student suffer when the examiners are the ones to be punished? Don't answer the question. Shh. Take it easy, my friend. Okay, so you say for each sitting, they make you charged and you take 3,000 Ghana cedis? So, for example, in the case of the recent issue, this particular one, 500 students, do the math. 500 times 3,000, how much?
560.
No, let's say the 60 passed. Relax, okay?
500 times 3,000 will give you
1.5 million Ghana cedis.
80 pesos.
This is how much your organization is making for conducting an exam. Do you think it is fair that these students suffer because of the irresponsibility of the examiners?
Your Honor, I do not find any sign of irresponsibility on the part of the
What do you
examiners.
think was the right thing to be done to to restore the credibility, apart from setting up the IEB? What do you think should have been done to the examiners?
Well, I believe that one of the primary things, of course, is the setting up of the IEB because it is an independent board.
What was done to the examiners? The examiners who made you lose the credibility, who made the
Ghana
School of Law lose the credibility?
I believe they were punished accordingly.
You believe?
We are members of the IEB.
You believe?
Well, Your Honor, I believe he's not in a position to be answering for them.
Oh, fantastic. You believe?
Yes, Your Honor.
I think it's very obvious.
Thank you.
When it gets to the money chopping part, he believes.
Objection, Your Honor.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Who's chopping whose money?
You said that the Ghana lost something. They lose credibility, integrity. True or false? At 2012 coming.
My Lord, first, I actually said the Ghana School of Law was losing the credibility of the examinations.
From 2012 coming. So
Before 2013.
So you people came in to bring credibility.
Yes, my Lord.
So that examiner will not leak.
Yes,
True or false?
that is true.
So before 2013, all those lawyers who passed to the bar, they are part of the losing integrity.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, that's a sweeping statement.
It's a scrubbing. Tony Lita. Kojoti Kata.
Matinamidu.
Tatuti Kata.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, why are they bringing our another colleague, Martin Amidu, in this one? What has he?
Martin Amidu.
What does
Mention
Martin
his name.
Please.
Martin Amidu.
Your Honor.
Lamisi.
Lamisi. Alamisi. And finally, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ado. They all pass
That
exam.
can't be the final one. I was hoping you were going to mention my name as the
Because
final
you there,
list.
you finished 2014, or?
No.
Long time.
Yeah, 2012.
Then you grow past this man.
No.
And lastly, Your Honor, that Intikatibo in Bombay of Isaiah, they are all part of the integrity force. True or false?
It's false.
Huh?
Your Honor.
Your Honor, I believe he's pushing my client into true or false answer. Where he can't answer, he's not in a position to
If he
answer
can't
these
answer,
questions.
are you the one who say the false? Is it not him?
Ah.
If he can't answer, can't you say I can't answer? You say false. Huh?
Yes.
How can you say false?
Your Honor, we do not imply that every other person who took the Ghana School of Law examination was not qualified. Indeed, we have had examination leakages in this country. It does not in any way suggest that anyone who wrote any of those exams.
Yes, I mean, there have been countless leaks in the WASI and
yes.
BC.
Thank you very much. The rest of our case. Who's the man? I'm the man. Come on. Who is the man's boy? You.
Order equal.
Are you done?
Your Honor, I walk from here.
Please, do you have any?
I believe, Your Honor, we can allow him to go. So we call our next witness.
Can we call your next witness in?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the last one, I believe. Better what?
We saved the best for the last. Your Honor, our last witness.
Okay. So what's the meaning of Next time you laugh like this again, it's contempt of court.
Your Honor, would like to call to the stand Dr. Anna Ado Labi. Dr. Anna Ado Labi.
The name, yeah.
Anna, which is spelled
we can spell Anna, please. The name looks familiar.
It looks familiar?
Is she here? Yes.
Oh, yes, of course, Your Honor. She's here. Do you know Your Honor there?
Yes, I do.
Of course she knows me. We almost dated back in school.
Objectives! Shin. Yeah. Your Honor, please, conflict of interest.
We almost.
Your Honor,
please,
may I?
Don't make. I mean.
Now you are making things difficult for your Honor. Even though it's his girlfriend, he can still rule in her favor.
Your Honor, objection. What? They are trying to say, they are charging you for cronyism and we can't do that.
No, Your Honor, I didn't say your girlfriend. I said, like, was going to be your girlfriend and she didn't get to be your girlfriend and now she's...
Added 15,000.
Hey.
Your Honor, he just shouted. Yes. He said hey twice. Hey.
Your Honor,
Hey.
Your Honor.
10,000.
Madam.
Your Honor, I only missed my colleague. Hey, Johnson. Hey.
Your Honor, look,
Johnson.
we didn't want to bring in the conflict of interest part, but the way you are going, we can hold this against you anytime.
Hey! Your Honor, the Honor threatened that shit in your own court.
We can hold this against you anytime. No, we are not threatening you. I have to tell you the truth. No, the way things are going now, please.
20,000.
No, Your Honor, we won't take any 20,000. Now, this thing is getting out of hand. 15,000 is the same.
Your Honor, you see?
100,000.
100,000. Who? Nobody paid 100,000.
I say make it clear. You say 100,000.
Punish her, please. Do it.
Hey.
Sit down!
We will sit, but not because we are afraid of you.
Sit down! How dare you?
You two, how dare you?
Your Honor!
Sit down.
Your Honor!
Sit down.
Your Honor!
Did you?
Oh, yes, we did.
Yes.
Did you? I did you.
Yay! Your Honor.
200,000.
500 million dollars.
Your Honor, if you allow me handle this case for you to be a very simple solution, just allow me.
It's only a text away.
Oh no, this time around I won't text. I brought a cat tail
Do
to
you
come
know
and take
my
your coffee for you.
hometown? Do you know my hometown?
Oh, so you want to exchange?
Let's do it.
Order! Order!
Bring it and let me bring it. Fine, okay, fine. Let's not do this one. Let's use the law. Let's talk law and let's fight. If you like, let's fight.
Very good. So the law says that.
No, let's not do law. Let's do macho strength. Let's do fight.
Hey, Yona! Have you seen what they are saying to you?
Kejetia versus Makola.
So how many people will fail?
Please, the number is 409.
Lawyer Marcelo. We a guy.
Yeah, 4.
Your new clients.
Oh, you go. I'll finish.
No, Lawyer Marcelo. Let me serve you so that they know who you are. Yeah. Lawyer Marcelo.
Then give me 3 crates of coke.
3. I sure 3 crates.
Why?
No, I want to be sure I know what you can do, lawyer.
Yes, so if you know how to go and give me the crates. So do you know the names? Thank you very much.
Yeah. Marcelo.
Oh.
The law from Ghana to America. Kejetia to Makola.
What is it?
Your Honor, your lunch is ready.
All right, just a minute.
All right, sir.
Kejetia versus Makola. Kejetia versus Makola. Purely satiric, you laugh and laugh.
Judging tea. What a dream.
You disgrace your father.
Lawyer
You disgrace your
Marcelo.
mother. Thank you.
This is 3 out of 3 crates.
Thank you very
You have
much.
69 bottles waiting.
That's right. Have you seen Lawyer Katikati Bombay?
Who?
Lawyer Katikati Bombay.
Who?
Any other name?
Is there any other thing you want me to get you?
You can give me pie.
Pie,
Pie.
meat or macaroni?
So, why did you fail?
I can't
You have
fail.
disgraced your father.
But how can a top
You have disgraced your mother. Why?
They have disgraced them. But we don't have meat pie. We have macaroni or egg
It's
pie.
okay, you can go.
No.
It's okay.
Marcelo, no.
It's okay. Oh, wait, hold on, okay. Hey, Your Honor. Your Honor.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you too?
Good.
Good afternoon. See, I was just coming to your office. Yes, some small case. These students, they go and write exams. They fail, poto.
We were failed.
Excuse me.
We were failed.
These law students, they write exams just last. The
What?
exams. These law students, they write.
Law students?
Yes. At that school.
This is not happening.
Oh, it's happening.
Take it to another court.
Oh, Your Honor, media, who collect me? Please, I beg you.
To another court.
Oh.
Another court.
What did he say? Please, have you talked to him? What did he say?
Oh, he's on our side.
Yes.
Yes, you win this case. He himself, he's a product of failure. He failed 3 times.
3 times.
Yes.
If he failed 3 times, then how come he's a judge?
Here we are. Me too. How come I'm a lawyer?
Yes, it baffles me.
Sister, you came here you wanted to insult me, but you are not getting any
No,
form.
I've been hearing of good things about you, that you're a very good lawyer.
So how can I baffle you right now?
Please, I'm
We
sorry.
really need you on this case. So if you don't take us,
What's
I'm
your
not
name?
Please, Denise.
You too, you failed.
Kejetia versus Makola. Kejetia Kejetia, this is Makola. Purely satiric, you laugh and laugh. Kejetia, this is Makola. New kind of cult where everything goes. A kind of cult where everything goes. Or the street meets the law in this funny cult. Inti wu nimra, mesumi nimra, wu nimra, mesumi nimra. You know the rules, but I know the exceptions. You know the exceptions, but I know the rules. Kejetia, Makola, we all learned the law. From Ghana to America, Kejetia to Makola, all are welcome.